What is up everybody, it is your boy Unknown here with this video, and today I am going to be showing you guys a final product, not really a final product, but a project I've been working on, and that is the GeoPI. Let's get started. The GeoPI is one of a kind of a device. It has been built off of a Raspberry Pi Zero-W, which is not the fastest nor the slowest. It consists of an ARM 11 chip running at 1 GHz, 512 MB of RAM, integrated wireless 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth as well. To get an image through the Pi, I had opted for an SPI screen at start due to the cheap price, but it ended up not working after 4 hours of me trying to get to work on the Pi. So at the end I had gone for a GPIO screen, and my one consists of a 2.8-inch screen diagonally, which consists of 60 FPS and a resolution of 640 by 480. It had worked perfectly after soldering it in. For the power, I had used a 5V Type-C lithium power bank module. This was not cheap considering it had costed $3 for just one, comparing it to the other micro USB boards out there that costs $1 for 5 of them on AliExpress. And to store all the juice, I had found an old Samsung battery off of a Samsung S5, which consists of a 2800 mAh. For the keyboard, I had gone for a cheap Braille keyboard that only costed $15 and has a touchpad built in, perfect for my project, and it fits perfectly in the lid of the case. And to enclose this, I'd gone for a geometry set, one of those math sets with those rulers, pencils, compass, etc. The reason is I just wanted to use it in class without getting caught, because I live in the UK and we're not allowed phones in class, so this works perfectly. So this is it. This is the GeoPI, as you can see, and yep, this is in a maths case, as I said, and this is right in my hand. So yeah, again, I had used a bit of rubber right here to actually make this as like a door stopping style hinge, so I can hold it up as an angle. And yeah, let's get into it. So if I go ahead and open it up, this is the contents. So as you can see, the hinge is working quite nicely. It's holding up at an angle, but right now if I just let go, it will go here. So maybe in the future I'll probably add like a piece of like a switch style kickstand, but I mean that'll just ruin the outside case and make it look more, what's it called again, not suspicious. I mean, or make it look more suspicious. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. And yeah, so this is it. Let me go ahead and screen right here. There is the battery module right here, which I covered up with tape, the LED indicator, just because that's a bit too bright, and if I'm in class everybody can see the light. So yeah, okay, my mic is moving everywhere and my thing's moving everywhere, but yeah, right up to that I've hooked up a switch and the battery, and as you guys can see I do have one of those micro USB dongle adapters, so I can plug the keyboard and mouse into it. So as Ben Heck always says, make something that you can take apart. That's exactly what I've done here, because let's say I want to take it apart and show you guys, or something's gone wrong, I can easily do that. So right here I've got two suspending styrofoam pieces which I can take out and then lift this all out, but right now I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to turn this on, show you before I do that. So yeah, so this is the keyboard right here. What I'll do is usually carry around this in my pocket, and once I want to use it I'll just whip it out, put the keyboard down, put the mouse dongle in here, and now all I need to actually do is go ahead and flip the power switch and show you. Give it a second to boot. There we go. So now it's booting. Yeah, for to program the screen, it wasn't even hard. There is a script already on GitHub called the MZ something like that, where you just run it, install it, and it just works. You put in your screen, it works perfectly. But yeah, it just works. So what else can I comment on this? You're usually using it as like this, like a hand terminal style thing. This is more of a UMPC style. And yeah, so look, as you guys can't see clearly, the light, it's a bit too bright. It is logged in. It has booted, so I can just log in by typing. Oh, this is running Raspberry OS, by the way. And I've logged in, so now I can do any terminal related stuff when I'm on the about, when I'm walking around, etc. And if I want to, start the graphical interface, I can just type in, sorry, not Pi, StartX, which I already have written there. All I need to do is hit enter, and it will just start up the graphical interface. And I forgot to mention that this is touchscreen, so I could just use this. I can probably get a pen. Let's just pretend that my multimeter probe is my pen, because I don't have a pen nearby. And all I need to now do is go ahead and let that boot, and there we go. As you can see, it wasn't lying about it being 60 FPS. 60 FPS is just 60 hertz, as you guys can see. Everything works. The cursor. Let's say I want to play games in class, or I can want to go into accessories. I can even do programming like Python, surf the internet via connecting to the internet, because there's Wi-Fi built in. There's Bluetooth as well, so I can connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones. Surf the web right here. If I want to play Minecraft, let's just load off Minecraft Pi Edition and go into my map that I've been working on while I was in class. Very responsive. I am using, oh my god, the way I'm recording is not good. I do have a touchpad right here, and yeah, everything works perfectly. Let's just go up to my mini creative house that I built. If I can get, no, that was a bit stupid. Get up here, move around here, and there we go, guys. It works perfectly for word processing tasks, Python programming. Programming is the main thing here, because let's say I'm bored in class, I just want to program. I can load up one of my Python scripts and just start programming it and carry on, basically. I can even launch up terminal from here. And yeah, this is quite a really nice device. And yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more on this device, I can even load Kali Linux on it, but it was quite laggy. Let me know in the comments below. And let me just go ahead and switch it off, even though this is really bad, but it switches off. I'm supposed to switch it off using the shutdown button, but not through the menu, but hey. So here's how to dissect it. Go ahead, I'm just going to remove the keyboard, put it to the side, and now to take it apart, all I just need to do is pry up, and I'm just going to leave the two styrofoam pieces there, and there it is. So I'm just going to zoom in. So I did have to go ahead and solder the positive and negative terminals directly onto the Pi's test pads, so that's what I done, and went ahead and hot glued the cable running from here to the battery, just so there's no cable stress right here. I'm really bad at this. For the cable, I went ahead and modified this cable by shredding this connector up here apart, and so it doesn't really, when I put it in the case, rub against the case and doesn't extend through. So that's what I done here. And for the hot glue, I just made these so it sits up flush when it's inside the case, nothing else. And I just put some electrical tape on the GeoPI pin so it doesn't short out, and put double electrical tape in the metal case as well so it doesn't short anything. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nothing really special. And for the SD card, I did put some black tape so it's easily accessible, so I don't really tug on it or anything like that. But yeah guys, I mean, I hope you guys did enjoy this mini project video. Again, if you want to buy me a coffee, links are in the description below. This will really help, as in I put quite a lot of time into this project. And yeah, I mean, just putting this back together real quick for the outro. There we go. And yeah guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. As always, this is Unknown signing out. Be positive, stay happy guys, and peace.